finger millet or ragi soup. In a jar, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of overnight soaked finger millet or ragi. Pour 1/4 glass of water. Grind well. And keep aside. Heat a pan. Pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of refined oil. Add 1 small size finely chopped onion. Add ½ inch of crushed ginger. Add 1 crushed garlic clove. Saute for a minute. Now add 1 tablespoon of fresh green peas. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped carrot. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped beans. And saute for 2 minutes. Add ½ tablespoon of black pepper powder. Pour 1½ cup of water. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Now add grinded finger millet or ragi. Mix well. Add salt to taste. Stir well. Pour required quantity of water. Stir well again. Boil for 7 to 8 minutes. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves. And mix well. A healthy finger millet or ragi soup is ready to serve as a starter. For more variety videos, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit our website www.rightclickcreations.com. Thank you.